Okay, so as you see in this video, I used an old recycled Amazon box that I had. I cut the flaps off of it, and as you start to see, I am now wrapping the box with rope that I actually got from Dollar Tree. It's about 13 feet long, and I bought a total of 4 of them. For the bottom half, I used 2 of them, and then for the top, I used about 1.5. Also, as I'm gluing it, I used my hot glue gun to glue it. I did not have to do it in the whole strip. I just had to do it in sections, and it held together really, really well. Also, you'll see me use some white felt. I bought a spool of it from Dollar Tree as well, and I use it for the inside of my box and then around the trimming. You'll see me add later the ribbon around it to kind of accent it and give it a good final look. I also used it for my in my bathroom for my toilet tissue and my disinfectant and stuff, but you can use it in your kitchen, on your shelves, in your living room, whatever to your liking. So now I'm about to get ready to reveal the final look of it, and I think it came together really well. So here's the final look of it. I hope you guys love it, enjoy it, like, share, comment. Let me know if you have any questions, and here it goes. So this is how I kind of set my thing up, and you can put whatever you want in it, your little finds, your little fixings, anything that you think will kind of work for you. Enjoy.